back to my channel. If you are new, please subscribe, and you are welcome all. Guys, now if you like to go to the public place like market, like weddings, like parties, guys, you have to do this before going to the parties, before going to the wedding, before going anywhere. Do this for your own safety, for your own protection, for your own good. All you need a black seed. You need black seed. Black seed is used for protection. Black seed keep evil eyes away from you, and it's really magical for protection. Now for women, you need to put 3 pieces of black seed into your bra. Yes, into your bra. And for men, put the black seed into your pocket or your wallet or under your socks. Yes, for those they wear closed shoes, you put it under your socks for protection. You know, we are living in the world of people hate each other. People, they just hate you for no reason. It's your friend, your family, your relative. They don't want to see you having good things. They don't want to see you. Your life is doing good. They don't want to see you. Everything is working good on your side. Now for that, if you are going for parties or family occasion, guys, please, 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 I beg, you use black seed. For ladies, 3 pieces are into your bra. Men, put it anywhere. If it's your pocket, your wallet, under your socks, for safety. Please, we are living the world of hatred. People are hating each other for no reason. As long we are doing good, that's it. People are starting hating you. As long things are working good on your side, colors, they're starting hating you. They want to find a way to make you go down again. Please protect yourself. Black seed is good for protection, for safety from evil eyes. Yes, it protects you from evil eyes, from people who are trying to bring you down. It's very magical. It works like wonders. Try and do it. Don't ignore this. Take black seed if you go to the market. Take black seed if you go to the wedding, supermarket, anywhere, public place, anywhere. We might say it's our friend or relative. Even some people you are not related. They'll still harm you. They'll still attack you. How? Not by beating you or attack you by knives. No, spiritually. Spiritually. We are living the world of spiritually. So take black seed whenever you go, for your own safety, for your own good. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe. You are welcome. Love you guys.